9, widget number 9. I'm going to start with a 40 by 60 rectangle. So create a sketch on the front plane. It was 60 tall, 40 wide, and enter. Okay, I'm going to create this large circle out here. It needs to be, the center of it needs to be 80 from the back edge. So I'm going to create a circle. Now I'm going to start on this front edge, and if you'll make sure that you move your cursor so that you see the triangle, that means you're in the center, and so you can just pull it straight out. If you keep that line, that dashed line, it tells you that you're in the center. So I'm going to click and make this circle have a diameter of 20. Okay, I'm making it 20 because the radius of that outside edge is radius of 10, so it means a diameter of 20. Okay. Let's see, it needs to be a distance of 80. The center of it needs to be 80 millimeters from the back. So I'm going to create a sketch dimension, do the back line, to the center of the circle, click there, drag up, and if I click, I can type in 80 and that'll move it to the right location. Okay, next I'm going to draw these diagonal lines, and they happen to be tangent to the circle. So I'm going to draw a line, start at the top right corner, click, drag a line down and click it on the surface of the circle, kind of on the front top quadrant. I'm going to do the same for the lower line. Click on the bottom right corner, drag up to where I'm in the front lower quadrant, and they need to be tangent, so I'm going to click up here on constraints, click tangent. I'm going to click the line and click the circle, and you'll see the line move so that it's tangent right up here. Do the same with the bottom line, click the line, click the circle, and you'll see the line move to where it's tangent. Okay, and so I can cut out the extra pieces. So I'm going to modify, trim with the scissors, trim out that line, trim out the back side of the circle, and you're seeing it begin to take shape. I'm going to create the smaller circle, the diameter of 12. So click circle, make sure I'm at the center, click and drag, type in 12, and hit return, and it draws the circle there. Okay, now I need this piece at the back. So I'm going to start with drawing a rectangle that's 20 by 20. Okay, how to know it's 20? Well, it's in the center. These are all collinear here, so it's in the center. So 20, 20, 20 to make a total of 60. So make a circle. Okay, I'm going to make sure I'm starting it on the back, on that left edge. So make sure you see the X, the blue X. So click to place your first corner, drag out, and type 20, tab 20 to make it 20 by 20. Hit return, it creates that box. Now I need to make sure it's in the center, so I need to do a sketch dimension. I'm going to do the top edge and the top edge of that new square, pull it out, and if it doesn't show 20, then type in 20, and you'll watch when I hit return, you'll see the box move into the proper location. Okay, so now it's centered, 20, 20, 20. I can modify, trim off these edges of the back edges, so that opens that up. All right, and I'm not quite finished yet. It's actually got a circular part there of radius 10, so a diameter of 20. And so I'm going to create a circle on this inside edge. And again, make sure you see the X and the triangle to make sure you're in the center and on the edge. Click and drag, type in 20 to make it the right size. Hit return, and it draws that circle. Now I can trim the back of the circle, trim off that straight edge, and that leaves the opening. Okay, so that's your sketch. So finish the sketch. And we want to extrude that. And the depth was 20, so make it a depth of 20. And you're finished. So there's widget number 9.